We have done a lot of work with the Department of Interior, Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, and NOAA. That's where we really have gotten environmental intelligence, environmental data, flying the Global Hawk, which we're playing with the wingspan of a 737 over hurricanes thousands of miles out to sea. And as the hurricane's coming and attacking our country, we're able to drop sondes into the hurricane, getting better data that improves our forecast, giving the forecasters the wisdom to better dedicate what areas need to be evacuated. We were able to help our emergency response folks so that as the hurricane passes, now instead of having the drones being used for environmental intelligence, we could use them for post-damage assessments. So now we're literally doing the end-to-end. We're out there before the storm, and then as the hurricane goes through, we could use those drones or other drones that are pre-positioned to help us with the post-damage assessment, do search and rescue. The beauty of Cherokee Nation businesses, we not only provide a technical solution to the government or a logistics solution to the government, but we also provide an acquisition solution to the government. We can get in there faster, more affordably, and do the same kind of tasking as a larger business, but just get in there quicker and do it at a lot less expense to the government.